What's up gamers, Zavin Alexa here, and again I'm back with another YouTube video. And in this video I'm going to help you out find the best budget gaming PC out there. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with this, buying a pre-built gaming rig gets pretty expensive first, but even with those ones who have been planning to build their own, it's also still time consuming and also carries out major expenses. So I've helped you out and find the best deals out there, so make sure to check out the description below of all the products I'm going to be talking about, because I've included product links in the description right below. And with that said, let's get started right now. Counting down to number 5, I have the ABS Simply, and this is one of the cheapest entryways to PC gaming. This is great for beginners, it is easy to upgrade, and also the GPU could definitely use an upgrade. You should know that it is stable with 30 to 40 frame rates on medium or low settings, and also this simple pre-built PC does not offer a whole lot of out of the box if you're someone much into gaming, because the graphics card will only allow you to comfortably play games on lower settings, but the system can easily be upgraded over time without costing a whole lot of money. A simple upgrade to an SSD, because it comes with a 1TB of hard drive, and a better graphics card will go a very long way towards making this a viable PC for high-end gaming experience. Now the ABS Simply comes with 8GB of DDR4 or double data rate 4, which you know that it's better than the double data rate 3 as for now I'm talking, but also it comes with 1TB of hard drive storage, which I said it's an issue and can be solved by buying an SSD. Also this one is driven by a processor of AMD Ryzen 3 and a GPU of NVIDIA GT 730, which is a bit old, but for the price it's okay. Counting down to number 4, I have the Acer Gaming Desktop Aspire TC780, which is great for newcomers to the PC gaming world. Also, this is easy to upgrade and great performance at a very low price, but you should take a note that this uses older components, but the combination is still capable enough for 1080p gaming on medium settings. And the desktop features Intel Core i5 for a CPU and AMD's older R9 360 for a graphics card, which isn't bad. And I can assure you 100% that this is the great place to start and can easily be upgraded down the line. Also, the system already comes with 256GB of SSDs installed, which is a great price at this price point. A new graphics card furthermore down the line will make this PC even more viable for modern gaming experience. Next up on the list, I've got the Skytech Archangel, which isn't so much recognizable name in the gaming world, but this company has some of the best deals I've seen on pre-built gaming PCs. The Ryzen edition of the Skytech Archangel desktop is the perfect place to start for a new gaming PC, as this beast is already capable of running most games in 1080p on high settings, and also it's easily upgradable. Now you should take a note that the Skytech does not include an SSD, which means that an obvious choice for you for an upgrade. Also, the Ryzen 3 that's included in is a budget AMD CPU that offers great performance, but could easily be upgraded to a 5 or 7 series further down the line. Also, unlike some of the bigger name brands, Skytech PCs don't have any built-in bloatware to worry about. And if you're someone who doesn't mind about the aesthetic and have a budget of $600 range, the Archangel is one of the few choices that can even rival you building it yourself. And counting down to number 2, I have a gaming PC which can give great performance out of the box with an AMD powerhouse that keeps up with the best. and this is the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. Now this comes with a CPU of AMD Ryzen 5 series, a GPU of AMD RX 580, RAM of 8GB DDR4, storage of 1TB of hard drive. Now this one offers a very great gaming experience and performance at only $700 range, than several systems I've seen well over $800. Also, the AMD's Ryzen 5 series offers incredible performance on a budget. Then combine it with the RX 580 and you have yourself a very winning combination that can handle just about any modern game you can throw at it. The only downside to the system is its lack of an SSD, but the USB 3.1 Type-C and plentiful of USB ports makes it a versatile system that is great for your work and play. Topping up my list at number 1, I have the CyberPower Gamer Extreme, which is the best gaming PC under $1,000. Now this is driven by an Intel Core i5 processor, a GPU of NVIDIA GTX 1060, RAM of 8GB of DDR4, storage of 120 of SSD, plus 1TB of hard drive. Now the Gamer Extreme can easily be upgraded. The 120GB of SSD won't do much if you're looking to install multiple games, so I'd recommend upgrading it first, most especially since high capacity fast SSDs are so much cheaper nowadays. I can assure you 100% that whether you're looking to play Battlefield 5, PUBG, or some rounds of Fortnite Battle Royale, the Gamer Extreme has you covered with great performance at 1080p with high to ultra graphic settings. Now this one does not have any fancy RGB lighting, but still it looks fantastic with its inbuilt red LED fans and tempered glass panels. Now don't forget to check out the description box right below for product links, because I've rounded up the best deals for you. Also, if you wanna know much more about gaming PCs and deals about online, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Also, if you like this video and you found it informative, please make sure to drop a like, and if you have any question, leave it down below. I'll be able to reply to each and every comment personally. And with that said, till next time, bye bye, see you guys in the next one.